What's going on YouTube? Lil Unc back with another reaction. Today we got Cenat's first time building gingerbread house. He's with Agent. The last Cenat reaction will be at the end of the video. Stay tuned for that. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Follow me on the gram at Lil Unc official, link in the description. Let's get into it.
Alright, so this is actually my first time building a gingerbread house. Yeah.
Alright, so let me open up my house.
Okay. Yeah, open up your house. Let me open up my bat cave. You feel what I'm saying?
Oh my god, it smells so good. Smell it, smell it, smell it.
That smells like...
No, that smells like the shit grandma makes. You just
Yeah,
eat it
bro.
You gotta do a boogie listening party.
Okay, first thing first, on mine it says, need the icing piercing for 1 to 2 minutes. You feel me? Just wanna go like this a little bit. Then it says, decorate the house pieces, gate, Batmobile, and Batman cookies with icing and candy allowed to dry.
And Wagent.
Fire. I'm not talking. Okay.
Okay.
Chad, do you actually use your hands with the gingerbread man? And these gotta be
What
edible.
is that?
It's black.
You gonna put black on there?
It's black.
I know, but I'm saying why you
Oh, a knife. I'm gonna get you a knife. Alright.
Alright!
Woo!
This shit, they come,
Oh, yeah,
I don't
GG's.
think they're gonna do this.
Oh yeah, GG's. Oh yeah, GG's. GG's, Chad. That would be fair. That's perfect.
I got a sweet tooth right there, man. I need some fucking cake or something. Not no gingerbread house though.
You.
Nigga dropping his fucking house, nigga.
So, what's the weather been like?
Chad, this is hard. Like, I'm bad. Was anybody good at arts and crafts in here?
Yo, I was the worst.
I was terrible, bro. Or like art class. Or,
That was dookie.
like, who really goes to art class though? Like,
Agent, keep
I
up the
can
weight
draw.
loss
Any of y'all
grind.
can draw.
Am I gay?
Let me know, man. I'm fucking ass at drawing.
Bro,
Like
you have
even
to ask.
circles, I
bro,
can't.
yeah, bro. And it's fine.
Can't draw a circle.
Live your life, man. No one's judging. We all respect.
Lock the door or Phantom will
Recently,
smell the gingerbread from
my handwriting
upstairs
got
and eat
better as I
them.
got older, though. I ain't
Is
gonna
Phantom
lie.
asleep right now? Right? Is he?
Probably, yeah.
I feel like back then I was just rushing.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, don't eat the white.
Why?
That's glue.
1 month.
What?
It's glue.
You ate glue?
Nah.
Yo, I thought that was
Like
really
that,
glue.
John?
Nah, this nigga, son.
But you're eating your before
Yeah.
you.
I'm not. I'm just licking my fingers. It's delicious. Hey, how am I doing so far?
Nah, how am I doing so far? Woo! Come on, bruh. I threw a wishing Noel. Don't ask me, I never tell. I fell asleep in yourself, but now you're in my way. Your hip is staring, hip jeans, hip is staring. Hotline, here you nothing. Where you think you're going, baby? But here's my number, so call me,
Yo, I
baby.
never ever tell you that, like, you have a horrible voice. Like,
After I knock him out, chat, I'm like, Uzi, wake your ass up. What's wrong with you? You got knocked the out.
where did one of my pieces go? You stole it?
What piece?
Where's my piece?
Bro, ain't nobody took your piece, bro.
Hey, run me my piece, man.
Yo, that drives fast. Ain't nobody stole your piece.
Mr. D.
Get your piece back in blood.
You stole it though?
No, why would I steal it? It doesn't do nothing to the bat cave.
Brush tools. What hurt?
To the back cave. How y'all doing today, man? I'm very, for me, I'm here again. The motivation is still in me. It's not leaving, man. 720 subscribers.
Facts.
my
I'm not
brothers
gonna lie,
and
this
sisters.
house is crazy tough.
That's what I'm saying. We almost 200,
Bro, for building homes in real life, building homes.
272 away.
You 5 months.
For getting
Like, I'm
monetized in
right now.
1,000, my brothers and
Yes.
sisters.
Unlikely. Yo,
And
this
it's
ice
definitely up from there, I'm telling you.
Bro, stop
You gonna
eating
see
your
the, you gonna
house
see the
and
improvements and
build
all
it.
that, my brothers and
Hey,
sisters.
Word.
my house
Word.
fire so far?
Gotta get this MacBook, new MacBook and all that. We're gonna have to save up though. It's gonna start small.
Big
You
11
know what I'm
months.
saying?
Is this the glue?
Wait, why don't I just sprinkle like?
Oh no, this is just coloring.
Wait, why don't I just sprinkle random on this?
Alexa, play Big Mouth
Alexa,
by
shut the
Cupcake.
f up! Oh, these is annoying, bro.
Yeah, you should like do something about it.
We're about to beat their asses, bro.
Oh, I found the piece. I'm so fucking. No, that's just.
If I was a woman, I will straight gacking your meat.
What the fuck? You weird as fuck.
Is this piece? This piece
Like,
is
that's sexual
agents. I
harassment.
don't know if he know that. Does he know this? I hope he do. This piece right here.
Alright, I'm
This shit
done.
agents.
Damn.
Yeah, my shit is fire. So
Bro, be honest. Who the fuck will make it this precise though? Like, do you see that they got it in the creases, the windows?
yeah.
Like, bro, what the fuck?
Nah, my shit is tough. So
Yeah, some people do though.
Yes.
Yo, you're on my dick. All right, so far so good, chat. Look at
You
what we
didn't even
got.
say thank you, bro. That's fucked up.
Hey, appreciate it, man.
That shit's
So far,
ass,
so good.
agent.
So what we got so far is we got the house, we got the front,
Oh no, that should look
we
good
got
as
the
shit
side,
though.
then we got the roof.
You didn't
You got a
even
bottle in
do
there?
shit,
We
okay?
got the roof, and then we got the back.
Put a firecracker in a house before you build it.
We got the back, and then look at the roof though. The roof got brick on it. A lot of y'all roofs don't have
You
brick
got
on
a
it.
bottle in
The
there.
way this one does. Get it close up.
But the bottle supposed to be a chimney or some shit.
I really just want to eat this shit, bro.
Kai, has Agent introduced you to any Ethiopian women?
No.
Bro, I don't even talk to women.
Agent eating that shit already.
This is fine.
Oh, he probably ate it for the house, for the door or some shit. Oh no, the door right there.
Squeeze it. Double grip it.
Hey, yo!
Alexa, what is
Alexa,
my
shut the
address?
fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Alexa, shut the fuck up!
Yo, is the timer not done? Yo, this nigga's running over the time, man. Look at my fucking estates right here.
You didn't do shit.
Look, bro, a lot of niggas would love to live in a home like this.
Chat, whose one is better?
That shit is so
Lil would be a
ass.
good judge, but he might cheat one of you.
He wish you a Merry Christmas, sweet. What the fuck? Nigga. Oh my.
Two kids building gingerbread houses waiting for Santa Claus Phantom to eat them after smiley face.
What the fuck?
Niggas on Phantom.
Two house versus 3D house is crazy.
What the fuck?
That actually looks fucking scary. Like, he looks like a zombie.
Bro!
Yo, you should brush your teeth. That's crazy.
Bro!
Yo, you look like you eat humans every day.
Bro, I look like a fucking kindergartner, bro.
What? Does it taste good?
It actually does, bro. I swear it does. 1 year on Christmas tree, Santa came to me.
You fucking. Yo, what is that? That's a fucking bat signal, man.
This shit look
If I
alright
want to
though.
practice kissing, do I practice on a wall?
Nah.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro.
You don't need to practice kissing.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Fuck all this shit.
Oh.
Nah, real shit. What I'm gonna do is,
Yeah.
I'll
Put
put
all
this
that
shit.
Oh,
shit.
your shit is
Put that shit on all over that bitch and eat that motherfucker. I already know.
Yeah, I didn't decorate mine.
I'll put my shit on everywhere. Fuck, bro. Oh my god, this shit looks terrible, bro. Chat. Buying
This
gingerbread
thing got the
houses
cover.
is a scam.
Facts.
Yes,
much are
sir,
they?
3 months.
I don't know, but there's a scam due to the fact that the box displays like perfect decorating and this and the
Yeah,
third.
yeah.
When they don't give you the right materials
W.
to do it.
Because if we had the right materials, we would have bodied this shit.
Yeah, we would've
Yeah, I don't
fucking
think
bought this
it.
shit.
Most
But since they
are
don't got
or
the right
some chat
materials,
saying
we just
facts.
see
I
the
don't
box
know.
versus what we got.
I don't feel like they are though.
It's like when you look at
These
a
gotta be
fast food
very
ad,
arts and
then you
crafty.
actually have the
8
fucking-
months game.
It's
Really?
not the same thing, man.
Yeah.
Have y'all ever made a gingerbread house?
Fuck,
Last
bro!
time I did, probably mad.
Yo, they
long
haven't even
ago.
seen my fucking roof yet. This shit is decorated, man.
Agent shit is definitely better than
Agent,
ours.
what's your leg day
Yeah,
like in the gym?
your shit black. That shit cool.
How is this not being this nigga shit?
He has a whole house, nigga.
Nigga, you haven't even put
Talking
your fucking
topic.
crib up.
Talk
You've
about
been
how you
decorating
want
the
to
whole
impact the
time.
world
Cause you
with your
can't.
platform.
It's one-sided, bitch.
Wait, what?
No, it's not.
So it's not a house? It's like Mario?
It's one
Like, look
side.
at this shit. Yo, y'all, if niggas grant him the win and this is his fucking bat signal, this shit is disgusting, man. This is a fucking bat signal. If Batman saw that, man, he'd turn back around.
Her.
Like, if I didn't tell you this was a bat signal, what would you think it was? Deadass. What
Nah,
is
probably a bad
this?
symbol. I ain't
What
gonna
is
lie,
that,
that shit's
bro?
not bad.
Nigga, are you eating? Yo!
For icing Jordan? Oh, he ate this nigga shit.
What's your problem, bro?
Introducing the new non-breaded Popeyes blackened chicken sandwich, marinated in bold Louisiana spices without the bread. This juicy fillet is served classic or spicy. On a toast.
These niggas making a mess of shit, son. They gotta clean that shit up. Icing on the floor. Come on, man. That's the end of this one, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this Cenat reaction, make sure you click on the last Cenat reaction. You know he does a whole bunch of crazy shit, man. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Tell me which one track to next. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on the gram at Lil Unc Official. Link in the description, man. I'm out here. Word.